We are going to share our own experience of using both of these tools, which one is better. So let's see.
I've been using both Flodesk and Kit, formerly ConvertKit, for about 6 months now, mainly focusing on email design and creator workflows. And here's the honest breakdown. Starting with Flodesk. This platform is all about design, and I mean really polished, visually appealing emails. The templates look modern, clean, and very Instagram ready. If your brand relies heavily on aesthetics, Flodesk makes it almost impossible to send an ugly email. Everything feels drag and drop simple, and you can create beautiful newsletters very quickly without touching code. What I liked most is consistency in design. Every email just looks good by default. The downside is that Flodesk is still quite limited when it comes to advanced automation and segmentation. It's improving, but it's not built for complex funnels or deep behavioral targeting. It's more about sending beautiful emails than building advanced marketing systems, now Kit or ConvertKit. This one takes the opposite approach. It's not focused on design at all. Emails are intentionally simple, almost plain text style, but the strength is in functionality. You get powerful tagging, segmentation, and automation that is clearly built for creators who want to sell products, courses, or build long-term audience relationships. What I liked most is how flexible the automation system is. You can build very detailed email sequences based on user actions, and it's extremely reliable for audience monetization. The downside is that the email design options are very limited. If you care about visual branding inside emails, Kit will feel basic compared to Flodesk. So what should you pay attention to? If your priority is beautiful design, branding, and visually impressive newsletters, Flodesk is the better choice. If your priority is automation, segmentation, and monetizing your audience, Kit is much stronger. For me personally, Flodesk wins on pure design experience, but Kit wins overall for long-term growth and functionality. It really comes down to whether you care more about how your emails look or what your emails actually do.